So I've been needing a Tesla car charging cable for quite some time now, and I was kind of looking at them and they seemed quite expensive. But all of a sudden I found one and at a very good price. But you will not believe where I actually found the cable. So for those of you who don't know, Lidl is one of Europe's low-cost grocery stores. So searching my way for an electric charging cable to tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, pasta. And there I finally found it. And the price was $100. It's a bargain. Just really checking it is a charging cable. Do not want to burn up my car. Alright, let's do an unboxing. Look, there's a bag included. Feels like a charging cable. Sturdy. And it has the protection caps. Even 2 of them. And the plastic feels nice and sturdy. Even has a nice thickness to it. Here goes. Should I make a run for it? Would you look at that? It's charging. This must have been one of the best purchases in the month. 24 amperes fast charging, no problems.